Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Jerry Z from Rovi Homes, your favorite Connecticut and Massachusetts realtor. We are here at my new listing in East Brookfield, across from Lake Lashaway. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath Colonial, about 1,600 square feet, tons of potential. You got to see this backyard. Let's go take a look. I hope you've enjoyed the tour of my new listing here in East Brookfield. If you ever have any questions about this house or any others, please contact me at the number below. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or invest, contact me, Jerry Z, because I want to work with you. Have a good one.